I think it's probably fair to say that you've never seen one of these in person, and if you have, consider yourself incredibly fortunate. I mean, just look at them. They've got the snow white fur, bright yellow ears and nose. They look like little marshmallows with wings. Meet the Honduran white bat and get ready because everything about them is just deeply weird in the most beautiful way. They don't live in caves or attics or under bridges. They live in tents. Intense, right? Seriously, these bats chew the midribs of giant heliconia leaves just enough to cause the leaves to kind of taper down a little bit and form a shelter. And then they just like snuggle up and roost upside down like a little huddle of fluffy ghosts hiding from the rain. And while it's hard to tell due to the nature of how these photographs end up being taken, the white and yellow actually provides an astounding form of camouflage. During the daytime, as the sunlight is filtered through the leaves, it casts sort of this greenish yellow coloration that the ears and nose blend in really well with, but then that light is just kind of cast over the white fur, so to would-be predators, they're just shadows. It's an interesting form of camouflage because it's not them themselves that are specially colored, they're just using light and leaf for hiding. Now the roost can be up to like 15 bats each, and it's probably important to note that they don't just have one tent. No, they set up a whole variety of tents. It's like little safe houses all around the forest. You gotta think about it like this, right? A cave is more of like a permanent roost. Not much is gonna change there, but leaves, they can collapse, they can get eaten, they can fall down from the wind. It's good to have a backup plan. And what powers these brilliant little creatures? Figs, and not just any figs, one species, Ficus colubrinae. It's a night blooming fig that might have co-evolved with these bats. These figs are rich in sugar and loaded with these little tiny seeds, so as the bats move around into these fig trees and they're eating the fruits and things, not only are they helping to pollinate the figs, but they are dispersing the seeds deep throughout the forest. So they build tents out of leaves, cloak themselves in color-filtered light, and they plant trees as they travel. If that doesn't sound like some kind of forest magic, I don't know what does. And I should just note how remarkable these are among bats in general. It's only one of 4 leaf-nosed bats endemic to Central America. Most are endemic to South America. It's only one of 6 that are white and one of 22 that will do the whole tent nesting canopy leaf folding thing. That might sound like a lot, like, oh, there's 22 that do that, but you have to understand there's over 1,400 species of bats. People don't tend to realize this, but bats themselves make up 20% of all mammals. 20%. That's 1/5 of all mammals are bat. Also probably worth noting in terms of coevolution, that yellow co-evolved with the yellow coloration of the sunlight passing through the leaves. It's been found to be a selective trait. They also get that yellow coloration from isolating carotenoids from their diet. I just hope this reminds you that bats aren't creepy cave dwellers, they're architects, gardeners, fig farmers. 20% of all mammals, and truly remarkable. I wonder who's next.